Hello fellow accounts and finance connoisseurs. Are you dreading the upcoming CPA exam? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Close your eyes for a second and imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you pass the CPA exam on your first try. With our tips and tricks to help you pass the CPA exam, this can be your reality soon. The CPA exam can challenge your mind with a set of tricky questions and complex real-world scenarios. But remember, the vast course content and short time can pose another challenge. That is why you need to stay on top of your game and one step ahead to crack the CPA exam in one go. Here are some preparation tips from the experts. Number 1. Plan ahead. Decide when you want to appear for the exam. Evaluate the course material and the time needed to cover the topics and make a practical study plan accordingly. You know what they say for CPA preparation? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Number 2. Use the right study material. There are a lot of CPA study materials available online. Select one or two trusted sources and that should be enough. Choose the ones that explain theoretical concepts and also reinforce those concepts by practical application. Try to stay away from multiple sources because essentially you would have too many choices, which can be overwhelming for many. Number 3. Choose the best CPA review courses. Review courses can be your best friend when it comes to CPA exam preparation. These are comprehensive study materials, practice exams, and test-taking strategies to help candidates pass the CPA exam on their first attempt. Remember, NorthStar Academy plus Becker is equal to CPA success. Number 4. Manage time wisely. Time management is key for any exam preparation. For CPA, you will have to manage your study and revision time as well as practice time management skills for solving the question paper. We tend to skip certain topics thinking they are less important. However, if you manage your time wisely, you can go through every topic and even do good revisions. Number 5. Practice through mock tests. AICPA offers free sample tests and also Becker Portal, so you get the feel of the real deal. No heebie-jeebies on the day. Solve these test papers in an exam-like setting to really challenge yourself and see where you stand. Then when you appear for the exam, you will feel as if you've done all this before many times. This will give you a lot of confidence. Tip number 6. Learn, rest, revise. Revision is extremely important. It helps you remember important topics. You may use different revision techniques like spaced repetition, active recall, summarizing, and note-taking. Just be sure to leave yourself ample time for revision and sample tests before the exam. And the most important tip of all, write it down or put it on the wall. Do not stress yourself, especially on exam day. You have put in the effort and you are ready for it. Relax and have a good time. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button to get the latest updates in the world of accounting and finance.